welcome to another edition of RV Tips and Trips. Today is Tuesday, January 15, and it's cold here, still at Ocean Pond Campground near Lake City, Florida. So we're waiting an extra day here for our mail, which is being FedExed to us, and we'll be picking that up tomorrow. And in that package is our plates for the trailer, finally, our permanent plates. So that is a relief. So we're going to stay through tomorrow and then depart on Thursday. Meanwhile, yesterday morning we had a rather rude awakening. We do like to sleep in since we are retired. About 9 o'clock yesterday morning, we were woken up to the sounds of gunfire. And I mean, it wasn't like it was off in the distance. It was like it was right here. So, which was kind of scary. So I heard 3 shots, and then in fairly rapid succession. And then it was quiet. And so I looked out the window, didn't see anything from our bed, and then another 3 rounds were fired in rather rapid succession. And I was like, whoa. Kathy was really afraid, so we quick got dressed and left the campsite. I did see a boat go by. There's a lake right here, and we're parked right up against the lake, which I'm looking at right now. There was a boat that I saw go out right like that way. So I don't know what was going on. All right, so here's the thing. We took off in the truck and we left for about an hour and then came back because, you know, Kathy was really afraid, so I didn't want her to be afraid. We came back and all was quiet. So I talked to the camper next to us, to the right of us, and asked him, hey, what was the gunshots about? Did you see anything? He goes, oh, I thought that was you. I go, no, that was not me. Are you kidding? Wow, actually it pissed me off. This guy didn't see anything and was accusing me of discharging a gun in the campground. So, which you're not allowed to do, by the way. We're in a national forest. This is an official campground. You are not allowed to shoot a gun anywhere within 100 yards of a campground. So he told me a ranger came by and he told the ranger about it. So I'm assuming that he threw the blame to us, and I was like, oh great. So I was kind of waiting to see what would happen if a ranger would come and talk to us, but nobody ever did. So later in the day, we went for a walk, and I saw another camper, and I said, hey, did you hear the gunfire this morning? He goes, oh yeah. I said, oh, do you know what that was about? He goes, yeah. He goes, there were some guys in a boat. They were shooting ducks. I was like, oh my gosh. It's so close to a campsite. You're not supposed to be discharging a weapon. I mean, it was loud when it went off. So that was what was going on. It was somebody shooting at ducks on the lake. So that was the excitement for yesterday. So have never felt not secure in a campground or in a national forest ever before. So, but that's what happened. So people are dumb sometimes, you know, don't think about what they're doing. I mean, a stray bullet could go somewhere and really hurt somebody. So anyway, you know, when I talked to that other camper, though, he said, oh, I didn't see no boat. And I'm like, just trying to cement the idea that it was me, but so it wasn't. And he said a couple times, oh, I thought it was you. And I was like, wow. You know, didn't see anything, but so quick to accuse and point a finger at somebody. It's crazy. But so mystery is solved. So after we get our plates, well, like I said, we'll be departing on Thursday. We have been running. We have water at this site, and so what we've been doing, we've been riding our bikes too. Love these bikes. Is we've been running the generator each day. As you can see, it's pretty quiet. And it's pretty fuel efficient too. It's let's see. I bought one gas can of gas in the time that I've had it here, and we've been running it each day. And so it's the gas can is 5 gallons. And like I said, we've been running it every day, except for the first 2 days. We were able to run entirely on batteries. Haven't been able to put all the juice back in the batteries because I haven't really been able to run the generator as long as I should. So yesterday we were running for 8 hours, but I forgot to turn the power converter on, so they didn't charge the batteries until I realized it about 5 hours later. Duh. So we only got a few hours charge on it. So yeah, I would say it takes probably 8 to 10 hours for the charger that's in the trailer to charge the batteries back up to full. So I haven't been bringing them back up to full yet, but enough so we can watch TV and that for about 4 or 5 hours at night and run the computers and that, and then the next morning we're still on battery power with the inverter and run the coffee maker and that, and TV again in the morning. So we run the generator in the afternoon. Can't wait to eventually get solar on this. There's lots of room up there for the solar. I mean, there's plenty of roof, so I'm going to put 500 or 600 watts up there eventually, and then we'd hardly ever use the generator. It has been cloudy the last few days, except for late this afternoon. The sun finally made an appearance, so you're never going to get entirely away from a generator. You're always going to need one in case we have a bunch of cloudy days. All right, well, that's it for today. Just a quick just to let you know what's going on, and we will be hitting the road Thursday, so and we'll be heading west down I-10. Catch you later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.